One of the common functions that you'll probably want to run within your automations is the ability to save models after you've modified them in some way. So whether you're setting parameters or changing dimensions, whatever your automation is, you may want to save something when it's completed. So I've got this working directory here where this model is currently loaded from. And I'm not going to make any changes. I'm just going to do a force save of the models. So we just come in and do a model save operation. By default, it's going to take the active model that's currently in session. And if we run this, you'll notice that it has generated a new point revision of that file. If we run this again, you'll notice that it generates yet another. So if we wanted to come in and do something a little bit more specific, we could say like basket.prt and run that, and you'll notice that it has done a specific load and force of that model. If we want to do something a little bit more specific, let's say that we had all of our any model that's in session that has S associated with the file name, we want to go run that. You'll notice that it's looping through each of those and saving each of those out. So it's a very capable function, and it does save to wherever the current working directory is for the models that you happen to be working with.